Ikaw naman, ano ang challenge sa'yo doing Manuel Luis Quezon?
First of all, I did not expect na I would be playing the president. I have a story. I go to this gallery slash antique shop, and then nung pandemya, meron ako nakitang bust or ulo ng isang tao. Malaki yung ulo. Tapos tinitignan ko siya, galit siya, nakasigaw siya eh. Ganun siya. So, galit na galit naman itong tao. Itong passionate naman naman ito. So parang medyo na-intriga ako sa kanya, pero yung energy niya, parang it was too much for me. Parang ganun. And then, fast forward, na nag-shoot na tayo, bumalik ako dun sa shop. And then, nilapitan ko siya, nag-lock kami ng eyes. And then I realized, shit, si Manuel Quezon yun.
Wow.
Pare, as in 5 meters away from me, nakatingin siya, nakasigaw siya. And I know that photograph of his. And then, andun siya. It was a bust made by Nepomuceno.
Oh.
Graciano T. Nepomuceno.
Wow.
I went there, I held the head, it was this big, and I said, I'm bringing you home. Not knowing that this is the guy I'm going to play. Binili ko siya, binili ko siya sa bahay, and every time nag-shoot tayo, this is the man. And then katabi nun, yung ulo ko, yung gumawa sila ng bust ko. Diba? Kasi nag-prosthetics tayo, katabi nun yung ulo ko, parang gano'n. It's that energy na nilagay ko dun sa sarili ko as Manuel L. Quezon that I realized this is what it feels like to have this much passion, this much rage, this much love, energy, and just desire. Kasi pagkatapos natin mag-shoot, pare, as in parang gumaang yung loob ko eh. Iba yung feeling eh.
Oo.
Parang ganun.
Oo.